Cathay 916, contact departure 122.0, bye-bye.
122.0, Cathay 916, good day.
Green light and variable, clear for takeoff, runway 07 right.
Runway 07 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, cleared for takeoff.
Ready.
And ready auto thrust is
French Cargo
engaged.
567, line up and wait, runway 07 right.
That's it. Line up and wait, runway 07 right, French
Check.
Cargo 567. 80 knots.
Checked.
Big one. Rotate. Positive rate.
And gear up.
Gear up.
Contact departure 122.0, bye-bye.
Departures 1220.
Flight level change, manual speed.
Flight level change. Manual speed. Departures, good evening. It's passing 2,200, climbs 5,000.
Hong Kong departure today, identify, climb for the SID, flight level 160.
Climb by the SID, flight level 160.
That's
Singapore
160.
7861, climb to
And
flight
Nina,
level 140.
And flight level 140, Singapore
Thank you. Flaps up, please.
speeds checked. Flaps up.
And auto speeds.
Auto speeds 210.
Singapore 7861, tread direct to South Loop.
And autopilot on.
Singapore 7861, tread direct to
Autopilot.
South Loop.
Thank you very much, direct South Loop, Singapore 7. And flaps are up and indicating.
Cathay 916, flight heading 090, vectors for tread shortening.
Heading 090, Cathay 916.
Cancel the speed restrictions.
Cancel speed restrictions.
Okay, manual speed 230 initially.
Checked.
Cathay 916, climb to flight level 6,900 meters.
Climb to 6,900 meters, Cathay 916.
Singapore 7861, climb to flight level 160.
Climb level 160, Singapore 7861.
MCAL 138, contact radar 133
Or
decimal
you can go to
82.
standards already, so.
133 decimal 82, MCAL 138.
1013
Cafe
passing
352,
80
contact radar
now.
133 decimal 82.
Start the climb checks.
Go ahead.
Landing gear is up, the ground spoilers are off. Flaps are up and indicating. Cathay 916. Climb thrust is set.
Cathay 916, turn left
Climb
direct
checks
to
complete to the line.
And
Left direct to Beagle, Cathay 916. Departure from Check Chicago speed 567 constraints on heavy, the hello,
uh,
passing altitude 1800 feet, clear 5000 feet, Beagle 1X for departure.
French Cargo 567, departure today,
And increase
identify,
to
climb for the
250.
SID, flight
Check.
level 160, cancel the 8,000 foot altitude restrictions.
Climb via SID to flight level 160 and we cancel 8000 feet restriction.